Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So these nails, I just did a video on them. It was my first time trying dual form, so I decided to just do a nail art video for you guys. So today the theme I was trying to go for is blue, something blue on each nail. So to start off on my thumb, I'm going to do a version of a French tip, and I'm just going to start with a pink base, just one coat, something light, nothing too bright. And then I mixed the blue color I wanted because I didn't have the right blue that I thought would look nice. It just takes a few seconds to mix the colors, but now I'm just going to show you guys an easy way to create that tip. So when I do French tips, I learned a technique that I saw online. First you do 2 dots at the corners, and then you get your nail brush and you meet at a point at the end, and then you go across horizontally, and then you curve around the edges, as you'll see. This technique just guarantees an almost perfect French tip, and for me personally it works every time. Once you create the curve that you like, you just fill it in, and then you should have your nice curved French tip. Okay, so now moving on to my index finger, I'm gonna just be creating a marble pattern, but I'm gonna use a different technique which involves saran wrap. So first I just apply my polygel mixture that I just added a white polish to all over my nail. You don't want to add too much of that white base because you are going to put another polygel coat on top, or builder gel, whichever one you have. So now I'm just getting the saran wrap and putting it over the white polygel. And then as I apply it, you want to get something pointy and create a pattern with the saran wrap in the polygel. Okay guys, once you poked around the saran wrap a few times on the polygel, some patterns should be created. You want to go ahead and cure that in your UV light, and then when you come back, you're going to just peel it off. And then now I'm going to add my top color. This color I use builder. something I realized while doing my ring finger is I tend to go for the shorter brushes when doing nail art, but I realize when you use the longer brushes, maybe 11 mm's, like that type of length, you get more movement in the brush. So that's just something I learned personally. So when you guys are trying it out, maybe try, even though they look scary, try using the longer brushes. Once I finished doing the patterns, I decided it wasn't exactly what I was going for. So to fix it, I just put some glitter. Glitter fixes everything for the most part. For the final nail, I just decided to do something simple. I just used a blue color that I had, and then I made it a matte with my matte top coat. And then I had some other glitters I wanted to try out, so I just tried to do like a dripping pattern with the glitter. To draw on the dripping pattern, I used a regular base top coat that I had, and then I just draw on what I want so I can see what the glitter will look like. Here I'm just applying this very pretty reflexive glitter that I have on top. Don't be scared because it's only going to stick on the parts that have the top coat. Once I applied enough glitter, I cured it, and then I just got a fan brush and then brushed away any excess glitter that I had left. To finish up, I just added a top coat to every finger but my pinky finger. Alright guys, so these are the final results. I hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.